Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I am doing a collab challenge with Dory from Dory's Dollies, and I hope many of you. I brought out one of my little Wednesday Addams-ish Blythe doll. She has on her Wednesday Addams summer dress, and I don't know if you can see these. I made little, I made these a while ago. They are fishnets out of netting. I really like this doll. It is misting out here. If you notice, I have on my farm raincoat. I'm getting ready to feed. If you have a video for, show who just came in. If you have a video for Mist or Misty and or Moon, cat's distracting me, but isn't he cute? Please let us know in the comments. Dory, thank you so much. I can't wait to see what you came up with today. Thank you for watching and for participating in our challenges and collabs. Seriously, I really mean it. Here's another little curious kitty. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.